In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete a saved folder in AOL Mail. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open up a web browser to get started. Go to the search box at the top and type in mail.aol.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you're logged into your AOL Mail account by entering your correct credentials. Once logged into your account, on the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and select a folder that you'd like to delete. Once you are done selecting the folder, left-click on it and then click on Delete Folder option. Soon after you do that, you will be able to delete a saved folder on AOL Mail. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.